Hey everyone, ever wonder how a simple pencil is made from wood and graphite? Today we're taking you inside the factory for the full process. It all starts with premium incense cedar wood, chosen for its straight grain and smooth finish. These logs arrive fresh from sustainable forests. Multiple pencil leads. The fresh slats head to huge drying kilns where moisture is removed. This prevents warping and ensures perfect pencils later on. Meanwhile, over in the lead-making area, it all begins with high-quality graphite powder and special clay from around the world. Like material. The ratio determines how hard or soft the pencil lead will be. This mixture is then kneaded thoroughly to ensure it's perfectly uniform. No lumps allowed for those smooth writing leads. Now it's time for extrusion. The dough is pushed through tiny holes to form long, continuous strands of pencil lead. These long leads are cut into exact lengths matching our wood slats. They're still soft and need more processing ahead. The freshly cut leads now enter drying chambers where controlled heat removes every drop of moisture without cracking them. Next comes the critical baking stage at over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This hardens the leads and gives them their writing strength. After baking, the leads take a quick wax bath. This makes them glide smoothly across paper when you write. Back with the wood, these dried cedar slats now run through high-precision grooving machines that cut perfect channels for the leads. A special non-toxic glue is applied directly into each groove. This will securely hold the graphite lead in place. Now the waxed leads are gently placed into the grooves. Every single one must sit perfectly straight. A matching top slat is carefully aligned and pressed down, creating a solid wood sandwich around the graphite cores. These sandwiches go into a powerful press that bonds everything together under tons of pressure for a perfect seal. The pressed blocks now cure in a temperature-controlled tunnel so the glue fully hardens and creates a strong pencil body. Once cured, we have solid pencil blocks. The graphite is now safely locked inside beautiful cedar wood. These solid blocks now head to the gang saw, where they're sliced into individual pencil bodies, each one containing its own graphite core. Next, the square bodies are shaped into the classic hexagon using spinning cutters. This makes the pencil comfortable and strong. The pencils now get a gentle sanding. Every surface is smoothed to perfection, so the paint will look amazing later. Time for color. The pencils get their first dip in bright yellow lacquer, the famous color Americans know and love. They actually get 7 coats of lacquer. Each layer is dried before the next one for that super smooth professional look. After painting, they enter drying tunnels. The lacquer hardens into a tough, beautiful protective shell. Now the pencils get stamped with the brand name and details. Every pencil tells its own story right on the barrel. A small brass ferrule, the metal band, is crimped onto one end. This will hold the eraser securely. Next, the famous pink eraser is pressed into the ferrule. It's ready to fix any little mistakes. Look at that! Our pencils are almost complete. They look just like the ones you grab every day at school or work. Now the big moment. Each pencil gets sharpened to a perfect point by high-speed machines. That classic tip is finally here. Every single pencil now goes through laser-guided quality inspection. Any tiny defect gets automatically removed. Trained inspectors also hand-check samples. They write, erase, and make sure every pencil feels exactly right. The flawless pencils are counted and bundled into classic dozen packs, the way you've seen them in stores forever. These bundles slide into bright retail boxes that protect them all the way to your local store. Each box gets its label, barcode, and that proud Made in USA stamp before it leaves the line.
The boxed pencils are neatly stacked on pallets by robots, thousands of pencils heading out to classrooms and offices.
From here, the pallets move to the warehouse, where they're wrapped and prepared for trucks across the country. And just like that, our pencils are on their way to you, ready to spark creativity in schools and workplaces everywhere. Special packaging lines now create those bright retail boxes you see on store shelves, designed to catch every kid's eye. Each box receives a protective heat seal wrap that keeps the pencils safe and fresh all the way to your local store. Robots quickly build custom pallets for every major retailer so your favorite pencils arrive exactly where you need them. Every pallet passes one last laser scan and gets certified with a green approved stamp before it can leave the factory. The finished pallets are now lowered and prepared with care, ready for trucks that will deliver smiles across America. From start to finish, the entire factory runs like clockwork to bring you the pencils you use every single day. So that's how it's made, from raw cedar logs and graphite powder to the perfect pencil you hold in your hand right now. The whole journey takes nearly 10 days, but every careful step gives you a pencil that writes smoothly and lasts longer. You get consistent, break-resistant leads and a reliable eraser that actually works. Simple benefits you feel every time you write. American-made pencils combine premium materials, smart engineering, and real quality you can trust every single day. Fun fact, one factory like this can produce over 10 million pencils a day. That's enough to circle the Earth 4 times if laid end to end. From smooth writing to reliable erasing, every pencil you buy delivers quality, consistency, and that classic American craftsmanship you can count on. From smooth writing to reliable erasing, every pencil you buy delivers quality, consistency, and that classic American craftsmanship you can count on. If you loved seeing how it's made, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite pencil memory, and subscribe for more factory secrets.